Hello, and welcome to this Maksiwa tutorial video. Today, we're going to take a closer look at our automatic Edgebander, the CBC.T. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step the initial setup and the adjustments you'll need to make to start working with your machine. To get started, let's move to the back of our machine and fill up our glue pot. Once you've opened the back of the machine, go ahead and remove the glue pot cover. Then you can fill up your machine with the appropriate glue. Be sure to use glues between the temperatures of 180 to 230. Also, keep in mind that when filling the glue pot, leave a space of at least ½ inch. Unlock the front handle and swing the conveyor open. This will allow us to adjust the height. Keep in mind that for the tape to be applied properly, your workpiece must be squared. Once you've made sure that your workpiece is squared, use a caliper and in the unit of millimeters, measure the thickness of your panel. Then, turn the handle until you've adjusted the conveyor to the thickness of your panel. Next, we'll adjust the Infeed Fence to the thickness of tape we want to use. On the CBC titanium, you can use Edgebending tape from 0.4mm to 3mm thickness. We'll also check the alignment of the Infeed Fence in relation to the glue roller. If necessary, we can adjust the roller back and forth using the adjustment knob found in the back of the machine. Make sure the roller and the fence are flush. Now, we will mount our Edgebending tape onto our support bracket and adjust the rollers. The CBC titanium is compatible with PVC, veneer, and laminated tapes, but we recommend that you don't use pre-glued tapes. Using a caliper, we're going to measure the thickness of our tape. Then, we will adjust the top and bottom trimmers by turning the adjustment knobs to match the tape's thickness. Slide the tape through the intake guide. Then, push the nylon roller release knob and continue to feed the tape to the end of the alignment seat. Once all the way through, turn the seat knob till it pushes down on the tape and then back it off about ½ mm. Then, tighten the lock nut. Adjust the intake guide knobs as well, leaving ½ mm of play. Now let's check for binding by sliding the tape back and forth. Once we've made sure there's no binding, we can slide the tape back to the starting point just in front of the nylon roller. With all the tape adjustments complete, check your air supply. If necessary, adjust the regulator to have a pressure of at least 100 psi. Turn on the machine by flipping on the main power source. Push the emergency button to the right, and your machine should come on. Finally, turn on the heating element and wait for your machine to reach operating temperature. Adjust the temperature on your machine. Use the buttons located on the temperature control. Press set to allow you to edit the numbers, then using the arrows up and down to raise and lower the temperature. Then press set again to confirm the temperature. Once the operating temperature is reached, you can adjust the amount of glue applied by turning the glue adjustment knob. This varies depending on your material. Close the conveyor door and lock the handle. Now, turn on all the groups. If you're working with wood panels, you might want to turn on the Infeed Fence element to evaporate any humidity. Make sure your workpiece meets the minimum requirements. Now, you're ready to run a piece.
With these simple adjustments to the CBC titanium, you're now ready to take on any job that comes your way. For more information on the CBC titanium and any of our other products, please visit our website at www.maksiwa.com.